Hello and welcome back to the channel today. Every day we strive to keep our homes clean and germ-free, but did you know that mixing household cleaners can be a danger to life? Yes, that's what I said, so listen in. Before we start, please, if you find this video helpful or know someone who would benefit from it, share the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Now let's get back to it. We all want a clean and germ-free home, but did you know that mixing household cleaners can pose serious risks to your health? Let's explore the hidden dangers of combining common cleaning products. Most of us reach for household cleaners to keep our living spaces sparkling clean. But what if I told you that mixing these cleaners could do more harm than good? One of the most common mistakes is mixing bleach with other household cleaners. Let's take a closer look at some dangerous combinations. Mixing bleach with ammonia can create toxic chloramine vapors, leading to respiratory issues, chest pain, and irritation. The fumes produced can be harmful when inhaled. Combining bleach with vinegar produces chlorine gas, which can cause coughing, chest tightness, and respiratory distress. It's a dangerous mixture that should always be avoided. When mixed with bleach, rubbing alcohol can form chloroform and hydrochloric acid, leading to dizziness, nausea, and even chemical burns. It's a recipe for disaster. Mixing bleach with hydrogen peroxide can generate oxygen gas, causing skin and eye irritation, as well as respiratory problems. It's a combination best kept apart. Some dish soaps contain ammonia or other chemicals that, when mixed with bleach, release harmful fumes. Always check labels and avoid risky mixtures. These are just some of the common households that pose a risk when mixed, but there are many more. Remember, when it comes to cleaning, safety should always come first. Read product labels, follow instructions, and never mix household cleaners containing bleach with other products. Spread the word and share this important message with your loved ones. Let's keep our homes clean and safe for everyone. For more information on safe cleaning practices, visit your government website on mixing household chemicals and the dangers. In case of accidental exposure, seek medical assistance. Stay informed and stay safe. If you found this to be useful and you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and remember, knowledge is power.